Hello friends, welcome back to Pro Metal Buildings. Once you get into our 3D builder, we want to kind of walk through a really quick tutorial on the RV carport. So it'll default to this picture here, but off to the right hand panel, you'll see a lot of different designs. Go ahead and click on RV carport. And now we're going to just kind of default to this 18 by 40 by 14. The 14 is the eave, which is right here. You're going to, on an 18 wide, have a 27-inch rise to the peak because we're 3 and 12 pitch. So keep that in mind. Today we're going to go a little taller, so go ahead and scroll down to the size and click on 16. We're going to close all the ends because we're going to turn this into an RV, completely enclosed RV garage. Of course, you have to go real tall in order to get those big doors on there. So once you enclose it all, and you're on the wall that you want, it'll be highlighted. You can hit the roll-up door, hit the pencil, go to the size of the door you want. The first number is the width, the second number is the height. Of course, there's some fun other cuts there if you want to do that. And then on these doors, they lock on the inside, so you have to have another point of entry. So we're going to put a walk door on the side here. And we'll scooch it toward the front. And let's go down and go ahead and change the colors. We'll go with some grays and some fun wainscot just to show you what you can do. So now you have your completed project, and if you lift it up, you can see inside the building how it's kind of constructed. There's some other fun things down here like the scene. You can share it to Facebook and to email. You can also view it in your space. So it'll give you a QR code. Use your cell phone, take that image there and go place it on your property so you can kind of see what your building looks like. So I wanted to do a quick highlight on RV covers. Thank you for visiting Pro Metal Building.